Hey guys, sorry for the delay with the videos. Every time I try to record a video, it just deletes automatically. This is like my fourth take on it, so I'm going to try to do this quickly before it cuts off. This is 6.1. We got three type of problems from here. 9, choose 4. You have 9 exclamation point, 4 exclamation point, 5 exclamation point. The 5 exclamation point comes from 9 minus 4, 5. I'm going to spread it out. Stop at 5 exclamation point on purpose because I could cross those out. Now, how did I simplify all this? Well, 4 times 2 is 8. So I got to cross all 3 out here. And the 3 goes into 6 2 times. Yes, you could have put the 3 into the 9, reduced this to 3, and left this as 6. That's totally fine also. 9 times 7 times 2 equals 126. That's your answer, okay? There's 126 combinations when you're choosing 4 things out of 9. If you want to do it in your calculator, you click 9, you click math. There should be a PRB. Go all the way to the right, PRB. Click NCR, 4. I'm going to show you how to quickly put that in your calculator. Math, all the way to the right, NCR. I forgot to put the number in first, but put the number in first. So 9, NCR, 4. Enter, 126. You could get your answer like that also. Second part, choosing like a set of things. So 2 face cards, 3 non-face cards. Now, in terms of face cards, at a 52-card deck, there's King, Queen, and Jack. So that's 3, and there's 4 suits each, so that's 12 cards in total. 12 of those cards, you got to choose 2 of them. So out of 12 of the cards, you got to be able to choose 2 of them. So that's why I put 12, choose 2. Times 40 is non-face cards. So out of the 40 cards, I'm choosing 3 of them. If I type this in a calculator, it makes it a lot easier. And then you can solve it. It's going to be 652,080. You can type that in your calculator. Now this one, I know a lot of people said they had difficulties with this. I started it, but this is where the recording stopped. So sorry, it's halfway done. Your question from the question number, I think this is, I think it was 19. I can't tell right now, or 14. A and B, x plus 3 to the 4th power. I use A and B just to symbolize this is the first term, this is the second term. Pascal's triangle is very easy to make. You start with 1, and then you just add what's next to it. If there's nothing next to it, you count it as 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. It should be very easy to construct. You should have no problems with this. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. The reason I stop here is because the 4 is up here, so I stop on the 4th row. Remember, you start your count from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Notice you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I make 5 sets of 3. 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, 5 set. In the first space, I plug in the numbers that I get from my column here, or my row. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. The second one, I'm going from A, and I'm going to go down. So, x to the 4th power, x to the 3rd power, x to the 2nd power, x to the 1st power, x to the 0 power. From 4 to 0. For B, I'm doing the reverse. I'm starting from the bottom up. 3 to the 0 power, 3 to the 1 power, 3 to the 2 power, 3 to the 3 power, 3 to the 4 power. Now, I was in the middle of expanding this. X to the 4th times 3 times 1, that's just x to the 4th. 4 times x to the 3rd times 3 to the 1 is 12x to the 3rd. 6 times 3 to the 2nd is 54x to the 2nd. 4 times 3 to the 3rd. 3 to the 3rd is 27. 27 times 4 is going to give me 108. And then x to the 1st power, so I'll just write x. Last one, 1 times x to the 0, that's 1 times 3 to the 4th power. So 3 to the 4th power, which is 81. This is your answer right here. This is simplified. This is complete. That is 6.1.